So yun na nga mga sports, Gilas Men laban Korea. What a fight, no? What a laban. Kasi kahit na medyo dikitan ang laban, di pa rin nakuha ng Pilipinas ang panalo. Sad to say, no? Laro is laro. Despite po natalo ang ating Gilas Men, lumaban sila hanggang dulo. And ito po mga sports ang ilang highlights ng kanilang laro.
For the Republic of Korea, they are generally
say, oh,
he's a lethal shooter out there in the corner. It's a 3 zips to the final 4. I'll check that. Alter hand up, but they also don't take advantage.
big boy.
Alter. Oh,
Up on the podium.
okay, that
You talk about mismatch,
opportunity.
but he's done that.
Ooh, cool. 8-7. Lee gotta finish that. Eventually, I think I'm okay to break that news. Meantime, it's out. Oh! Cool to Cool. Cool to the crib. Under 4 to go. Hand up. Oh, crap work. Lee. Oh, cut Cool with the up.
Oh my goodness, he's so
He's
fast.
gonna get us.
Good thing for the Philippines.
Amazing.
Because you haven't been making shots if you're Kim. So a lot of similarities.
Step back, Amazing.
There you go. That's the patience I was talking about, right?
Will have to force it to if they get it again. Nice move. No matter what happens here, Amazing will get a look to Cool. And he'll miss it. Go on to the semifinals.
So kung nagustuhan po ang video na ito, paiwan ng follow, subscribe at pahit ng bell para updated tayo pareho sa mundo ng basketball world. Laban Pilipinas, puso, so paano? Ingat po kayo. Mga ka-sports, kung hilig ninyong bumili ng mga Gilas jersey, Gilas accessories at mga gamit na pang basketball habang nanonood po kayo sa aking mga videos, kindly check this basket on this lower part ng ating video at magpa-pop up yung ating mga items sa gilid. Mga legit po yung mga items dyan and see to it po na makabili po kayo ahead of time kasi meron po yung mga discounts and mga promos depende po sa seller. And also, kunting suporta din as a content creator po. Salamat!